How to add a card carousel to Wix. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add a card carousel which will contain an image, also an information about the offer that you're going to put. For example, if you're going to post offers, if you're going to post maybe memories, if you're going to post products or whatever. And also we can go ahead and implement some links on the card carousel. So the process is going to be very easy. We are going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see, we are going to be on the site's dashboard. Once we have did that, what we're going to do next is going to be very simple. We're going to select the website and click on edit or select an edit for the site and wait for a few seconds until it is going to set up the thing. Now, once we have did that, we're going to be making sure that we are going to click on edit or design site from this blue button or this white and blue button. Once we have did that, we're going to be on the website itself. So what we're going to do now is going to be very easy. We're going to have a little bit of a space. So we're going to have a section or a free section that is going to be blank. Now what are we going to do on that section? I'm going to be heading over the elements and we are going to be on the embed code. So we are going to click embed HTML. I'm going to make it as I can or bigger as I can, just like that. And we're going to enter the code here. Now, we're going to choose a third-party platform that will be called Common Ninja. They have a free plan of only having one widget per account. So this is a free plan. So you can go ahead and upgrade your plan to get how many widgets that you can want to have into your website. So basically, we're going to head over the creation of the widget. We're going to type in here card. And basically, we're going to find card builder, card carousel, whatever. So this is a straightforward app or third-party app that will let you have the card carousel. We're going to create it just right away. And it is going to be something like that. So this is our card, this is the image, this is the title and description of it, and the call to action button. So we can go ahead and add how many cards as we can. Also, it is going to come with a little bit of animation. So this is cool. So what are we going to do next is to change the main title of the carousel. Also, for the items, which are going to be the cards, we can go ahead and click on any item or any card and change, for example, the image, the title, the text, and also the link text, as you can see, which is going to be like that, and the link URL. Once we have finished setting up the cards, you can see that we can add as many cards as we can here. So you're going to upload also with bulk images. You can head over the look and set it up. So this is the look, as you can see, like the, I don't know, the background image, the primary colors, the settings are going to be very simple. You can go ahead and seek them for yourself. And at the end, you're going to publish this specific widget. So we're going to save it into our collection. Save it right there, and we're going only to copy the code like that. Head over the Wix website, paste your code, click on update, and wait for the code to appear. So it is going to create the widget like that. All you need to do is to make it a little bit bigger. So we are not going to see these, as you can see here, scrolling bars. So this is the card carousel that we have created. It looks amazing. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.